In this video, we'll be discussing some effective ways to use artificial intelligence, AI tools to answer questions. Artificial intelligence, AI tools like ChatGPT and Gemini have transformed the student learning experience. As tutors, you may use AI tools so long as you do so responsibly and in compliance with Course Hero's AI policy. Now that we have that settled, let's go through some effective ways on how you can utilize AI tools as a tutor on Course Hero. First, you may use AI tools to help you gather references and resources. Surfing through the internet for resources to help you write your answer typically takes a while. To make researching more efficient, you can use AI tools to give you a list of helpful resources. Second, you may use AI tools to confirm your answers. It's always a good practice to double-check your answers before clicking Submit. AI tools are a great way to get instant answers on some concepts you have included in your explanation or verification of your answers. Lastly, you may use AI tools to improve your explanation and grammar. Quillbot is a great tool to improve your grammar and to make sure there are no typos. That's it for this video. If you need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to tutor support via tutor-support@coursehero.com. Happy tutoring!